So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks like inside. It looks so good, and it will definitely taste good because the dough was super good. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, guys.
This tastes so good, like. Let me taste it with some sardine.
Guys. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be making some bread. Woke up this morning, wanted to make breakfast for my husband. He wanted some bread and sardine. I realized that there was no bread. I have all of these ingredients at home. I'm like, why don't I make mine? Yes. So let's do this, guys. So all you need is your self-rising flour. That's what I'm using today. You need your sugar. You need your yogurt. You need some milk. I'm only using this milk because I don't have a lot of yogurt at home. I'm gonna be using some eggs, 2 of it. And I'll be using some yeast. Gonna be using 1 scoop of this. You don't have to use water, guys. You can use your milk, but I just like mine inside water. Wash my hands and mix. The best thing to always do, guys, is to mix all the dry ingredients first while you mix the wet ones. Let's say you put in the flour, you put in your sugar, put in your yeast, while on the other side you have your yogurt, your eggs mixed together, and your milk. That's the best way to do it. I'm gonna pour in my yeast. So I'll go ahead and put it in a bowl. Spread in my unsalted butter, melted one. I'll be keeping this for 15 minutes. Since it's a self-rising flour, I don't really need too much. So I'm gonna be keeping this for 15 minutes. So see you guys in 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. This is how it looks like. Can you see? Pull it out, put it in. I'm just gonna roll it for a couple of seconds. Put this into 2, guys. I want to bake it in 2 different sheets. So this one is gonna be it. My bowl, cap everything. and put it inside. So my baking sheet is inside. Just rub some unsalted butter on top of it. Put this on the sides. Try and get this one the way I want it as well. Now I'm just gonna put everything together. I want to make this different. And this is how it looks like. I'm going to put it in the oven for 360 degrees until it is extra brown, giving me the color that I want, and I know that it's ready. So I'll show you guys how it looks like. It's gonna be there for like 30 minutes. Like, this is the first one. This was like a little bit bigger than the second one. This is it. And this is the second. So I'm gonna pull it out now and show you guys how it looks like. Yes, the final result. Super easy to make. You have just few ingredients to use and you're good to go. You should try it at home, guys. You'll love it. Ooh-wee. Look at the fluffiness. This is the end result, guys. You don't have to buy bread. If you have these few ingredients at home, all you have to do is go ahead and make it for yourself. Yes. Guys, I'm gonna be eating this with some fish. Ooh-wee. Guys.
Yes, I came back with food.
Thank you for watching. And this is the end result, guys. I'm gonna be serving it with a cup of tea and some vegetable salad that I made. This is super delicious. If you want to see the recipe of this, just scroll up this video and you'll be able to see it. And yes, with a cup of tea. And this is how our bread looks like. Guys, it is super tasty, super easy to make. Try it at home. You don't need to buy bread anymore. You will love it. Very few ingredients to use. This salad, it's everything. Cup of tea, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.